Acumence is an enterprise manufacturing business intelligence solution specifically designed to help manufacturers monitor and visualize plant data and improve performance.
Primary goal is to collect data about the processes inside of those manufacturing environments and take that relevant information and get it out to all the stakeholders so they can make better decisions inside of their plants.
The implementation process for Acumence is typically a partnership with the customer.
Typically bouncing back from design to kind of testing, and we'll iterate that process multiple times to make sure that we capture all of the system requirements. And then at that point, once testing is completed and we make sure that the system does everything it's supposed to do, we would do a full-blown implementation and deploy the actual development that we came up with.
I think one of the things that really makes Acumence stand out is our level of industry involvement.
Most of the business benefits are oriented towards efficiency gains within their manufacturing processes, ultimately saving costs within their production operations. Acumence is unique in the industry in that it was built to handle these really high-speed environments. So we can handle counting and monitoring status of machines and production counts at very high speeds. But then with that huge amount of data, being able to distill it down into the few critical things that the plant needs to focus on to make themselves better. Since it's built around those industries, you can deploy it very quickly, and it's been very robust and very trouble-free. So a lot of our enterprise customers deploy the software very widely in all of their facilities, and they have a common platform to measure their performance across all of their facilities.
Acumence has been serving the manufacturing industry for over 17 years.
The Acumence product is installed in over 20 countries and over 40 plants across the world. Acumence is really good at high-speed discrete. So companies like can makers who make thousands and thousands of cans per minute get a lot of value out of the Acumence product.
We work closely with manufacturers and other industry specialists to really understand their needs and to provide an unmatched level of support.
Really, in any discrete manufacturing process, would get a lot of value out of Acumence.